Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add question on Instagram story. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your app store and play store, and from here you search for this Send It app. Tap on Send It app. Tap on this, and from here what you need to do it, install this type of app. I am already installed, and after that go back to your home screen and open your Send It app. Wait a some second, and from here what you need to do is tap on Instagram app, then tap on share, then tap on next, then tap on next, again next, then tap on share to Instagram. Tap on this, wait a some second. From here what you need to do it, put this your question like how are you over you. Then after that tap on done and tap on your story. Your question will be add your story, you as can see. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.